go to YouTube famous of web so So guys, what's good, Madi Amana. So yeah, today I'm back with another banger. If it's your first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content. I always tell people I'm the best YouTuber in Zimbabwe. So guys, today that's Ugandania Inona Kids Amazia. But if it's your first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content. First thing guys, I just want to thank you for watching my videos, liking, commenting and sharing. Now I'm monetized on YouTube. Now I can earn money from YouTube. Thank you guys. Without any further ado, so guys, today you all know guys, we have many couples in Zimbabwe. Tine the Nyathi family, tine Tytie, Kikina Tytie, tine Rynesu, ne Tanaka. I think these are the 4 main couples in Zimbabwe, right? I mean, like Pune and like my main, my biggest, my chats are ones, my couples are ones that are controversial. They want my controversial chat couples. This one. I mean, but my couples are ones that are Rynesu, Tanaka, Tytie, and Nyathi. Although aside my small couples, Tanya Richard, Dian Lolo, Kim and Lloyd, Taren Martin, my big one, Taren Martin, the big one of the boy. Then the Phoenix family. This one is a very big one in Zimbabwe, but they are based in UK, so I don't think we have to talk about them. Because some of the people, they don't even know about them. I think the last video I want to say so guys, today I'm going to talk about my couples and versus my controversial couple. I'm going to shoot you but my couples are because I'm young conversation, my controversial, my couples are not going to compare day by day by YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. Okay, so if it's your first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. So video now mainly is about like I'm exposing, like I'm telling you about what you need to know about couples, about these couples, and which couple to follow, or this and that according to your own perspectives. My perspectives, you don't know much, but your own likes or which one is which one, right? So I'm gonna describe couple by couple. Let's start with 2 main couples now. Nyonga on social media. Okay, tine Nyathi family. Guys, I'm only wrong one. You mean just to fungiro any money in comment section. My only wrong within Nyathi family. It's a nice couple. Yeah, it's a nice couple. Young couple. You know what I'm saying? They were actually known for this one. Actually known for. Alright. One was Zikano. The content you put at my short vlogs. They live in Limpopo or Mpumalanga somewhere there. But mainly like okay, according to me, Nyathi family, you know, Zikana for they beg too much. I'm an ask from a point of disrespecting or what. I'm talking like about so people they say Nyathi family they beg too much. They come to people, they beg in such a way like let's say in and motor. Then I tell my sister so that someone will feel pity for you. Or no, let me provide the car, let me provide the transport. I'm saying this and that. Like, you know, so they will guilt shame you, like will guilt shame about you feel like guilt with pay but yeah. It's Nyathi family for you. And do so I don't just get on as because that's good. As you can see now guys, I'm talking about the process of as you can see guys, do back up now. Do Nyathi family. But besides that, they're such a nice couple, a humble couple. They don't do dramas in their man. They're always cool doing their own things. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's Nyathi for you. So I think kune vanhu vanoda kuona content iri relatable, like kana chi content iri relatable, I mean content yavo you can relate because they do content yekuti iwo pache zvako munhu unoto zvinhu zvatiri kusangana nazvo daily. Saka that's why I think that's why people they love their content, because when they relate. Content yekuti zvakaoma zvekutambura but changoti nekambambaira todai so tomukoma kusei, like their daily, their routines, everyday morning routines, afternoon routines, this and that, people they can relate. Vanhu they can relate vatoona zvizvi. So that's why vanhu vanyanya kwafara, because they're exposing zvakawanda zvisingabutsika vanhu pachena. Azvo zvakatiomera, hatina mari yekudai, so gasi hatina tichadaiso nemoto, this and that. So content yavo iri nice because everyone can relate. Tochibva ipapo topinda pana talk of the town, eve of the dead. But whatever, I don't know mfanhe kuti ini hangu personally amen, but if you are watching this ndakatokumaka mfanheyo nyaya kundoro cooperate, but today I'm not gonna do that. That's not what I want about you. So couple 2 zina Tytie and Kiki. This couple is actually known nenyaya yekuganza. Ava vanoganza, ane vanotozikana kuti vanoganza. So a couple basically what they do is they do freaky content yekunyadzisira, kuzunza mbata, venombata chinandisiye zvavo handigone shona, but vanozunza mbata like mukadzi wachina angaite so. Ndo content yavo, like vanda content yekuzunza magaro machichichipaya. I mean, some they say it's good, some they say it's not good, you know what I'm saying? But mostly vanofollow no vakangodaro because vanhu vachizunza chi indeed vanonyadzisira. You can't watch their content pamberi pevana. Ndo content yakutange kunyadzisira. Chichi content yavo ndeyekuganza, vanoganza. So maZimbabweans wakaita kuda kwavaganzira. maZimbabweans as long as usarelate cheri, vasarelate content yavo vachanakirwa nayo. Zvafana naNyathi akamunza muka ane mari, maZimbabweans vandakakuba because havacharelate, saka they will no longer like you because content yavanodayo ndeyekuti guys nachikumbiro kana asina chakati zvakatondomero ndine mari yamaichamu nechi. So they'll keep on following you because vari kurelate nhamo, paita nhamo relationship. So Tytie content yake nekakuganza because his life changed, so akurarama life emari. So vanhu vakawanda havacharelate, mazvona manje. So vanhu havachanakirwa naye because his content is no longer relatable. Isusu kana tangona content yekuti nhasi tatagotewe, nhasi tabuka lodge, nhasi tazobhuruka nendege, tasidai so wakutoti bowa because isusu kana rusero hasatambokwira. Not kuti ndikuona from a jealous point. Is it a jealous point of view? I don't know, but not kuti ndikuona negodwa nechi, but that's the truth. The reason why people hate Tytie is because content yake asirelate. Yakurelate kuona na Jinimbi nanani, of which vanhu havateme kuona content yake. Yakurelate kuona Mbinga, mazvona. Yakurelate kuona vamwe vanhu vanda kuonozva vandanyadze vanhu, which is not good. And the other thing is Tytie is actually known nenyaya yeutsinye, nyaya yekupa vanhu macopyrights. Atenge munhu akabva ameno kumberengwa, ameno haamboitonge muZimbabwe nomwana weropa, ameno iye nekamukadzi kake. Munhu anopa macopyrights kumabloggers, munhu anopa macopyrights kuvanhu, anoudza mafans, anotuka mafans, ndochinhu chaanozvikana nacho akuti handida kudasa nemi content day international, that's why we are using English. But his English will not be Englishing. Broken English is tight for you. I'm not gonna say much, but if you wanna see his true colors, make sure after this video you go and watch other videos that I posted. Go back and watch another videos there. Right? Iya Tytie naNyathi yapera yakadaro. Mani nyaya dzavo dzavakaita nekoko Tytie akarowa naNyathi copyright. Nhasi I'm not gonna talk about it. Go back and check my videos muone. But ndo content yavo yekunyadzisira, yekuganza, yekuita sese, ndo content yavo. Then manje tapedza first segment. Takuenda pane chikamu chechipiri. First one, that was the comparison between Nyathi family and Tytie. Second one, we had the comparison between Rynesu and Tanaka. Okay, so according to me, what I noticed is those two couples, they do same content. vari vaviri vanoita content yakafanana ne. But what I noticed in is what makes this couple different, mainly chin one. Ne. And then there one or two things that doesn't excuse. Chekutanga ndechekuti Kim and Tanaka, they make their content in English. Dochekutanga. Ryan and Rynesu, they make their content in Shona. You see. So Masalatic boys, Masalatic girls, and Salatic fame, mostly Baru Kim and Tanaka. And Mageto youths, Mageva, Magangster bear, Baru Ryan and Rynesu. What I noticed is Zimbabweans, they love Shona. They hate English content. Well, good morning guys. So now we're just gonna go to the bath and eat the breakfast. Now I'm saying this and that, and this is my wife chilling, blah blah blah. October ikana. But I got madi amana. Ataka no muka, ataka no baya kubath kuno geza pa ataka no enda kudhorobha ka aziya yoonera. They go there because they like matauriro eshona. But mainly what makes Kim and Tanaka ne Ryan and Rynesu different is because of language. Lochekutanga chino divide my fans out. But Kim and Tanaka and Ryan and Rynesu, they're actual family. They do not have beef. They don't hate each other. Some of the followers or some of the fans don't want to beef. Don't talk about that. And the second thing is not about Kim and Tanaka and Ryan and Rynesu. Isiyane oro vasiyane pakufollowa nevanhu inyaya yekuti audience yeKim and Tanaka is international. Like as I said, Tanaka, they speak in English, but most of their videos, Ryan and Rynesu, they use Shona. Of which Ryan and Rynesu, they can get many people in Zimbabwe. In Kim and Tanaka, they can get people around the world. Because YouTube, like for example, video I watch of Kisses Red. YouTube is a recommend a video one. So when I recommend a video, I can read English, they watch till the end. Even in India, I got 12 of Kisses. There are actually Burundi or Nigeria, who don't want a video of boss and I want a kiss, but I can already show one. I want to watch. Yeah. So, man, I don't know, my numbers 1111121212 from all over the countries. And Ryan and Rynesu, they will take all the people, like all the people who follow Shona content in Zimbabwe. One or two around, because so number good, as I said before, Zimbabwean people, they hate Shona. I mean, they hate English. So, Kune Shona, one way and you wonder how they will call each other there, which will give Ryan and Rynesu many numbers in Zimbabwe, because one waka wonder, they love Shona content. You see, so when you start to go couple, one of the baby couple in Zimbabwe, baby couple is Kanyazire, they will just say Ryan and Rynesu because they know Kutiji, they speak Shona. Then Masala digi singer with Shona, like I don't know how to speak Shona, and I'm saying and me this is not Kim and Tanaka mostly. But man, the secret people do it. My fans, the Kim and Tanaka, my fans, Ryan and Rynesu, they watch content yes. But I don't know Kim and Tanaka, Ryan and Rynesu, what else? They are actually one family. But that's what makes content like Kim and Tanaka, Ryan and Rynesu, Isiani. I think we're born about. Yeah. So that's Siana Kokaidashi content Kim and Tanaka, Ryan and Rynesu. So in what I recommend you all, according to my list in Rema content creators, Ovada Kwandoita, my list in from number 1 to number 4. I'm a big controversial couples. I am controversial couples, whatever, but they are causing controversy in Zimbabwe. So my hero and it in from number 1 to number 4. Let's just say number 1. Number 1, I would put Kim and Tanaka because, or maybe it's because because I am a fan who finally became family. But besides that, nakidza like I enjoy my vlogs, my editiro, how they shorten their vlogs and this and that, blah blah blah, and the thing is like ndakazoziva Rynesu through Kim and Tanaka, you see. So ndo vanhu ndakatanga kuziva first and ndo zvakaita ndovafarawo first. Like you can't just switch from there to there, it will take time, like, you see. So same as like ndokazvandira mukudzivisa because ndakavaziva through Kim and Tanaka, you see. And second, without hating, ndichimboisa hate aside, pasecond ndokunasa Tytie anonyadzira but content sometimes anoziva zvaanomboita, but kuri kunzi twisa mamenas pasecond I would put Rynesu, but panyaya dzekupusha content nekuva consistent I would put Tytie pasecond. But number 3, Rynesu. But number 4, Nyathi. But content when it comes to YouTube, I would put Kim and Tanaka number 1, Rynesu number 2, Tytie number. Nyathi remains the last one, but Nyathi don't far off. But I don't enjoy his vlogs because do far my videos YouTube mostly come into Rynesu. Yeah. So my voice overs and young mafara boss, you won't experience like vlog roof around every 1 hour or 5 minutes. Guys, as you can see, as you can see, personally I don't enjoy that. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we're heading to Copacabana. We're coming from Fort Mbare, and now we're at Corner Speak in Kuna Mulundu na Aqua Street. You know what I'm saying? So now guys, we're brushing our toothbrush. Now we're going to the church. Do content ya ndo dayo mazona yasani content ezike guys yoti uda kuradza anogomo ezike tasokona kagumo kakati tomufamba tapatana kamota kashiburuka kamota tabatazo daiso ezike guys tobva kuti abantu tomwa zvamuti tofamba todeso. Personally ndinoifara content but ndoti mufaro ndinoita ma vlogs chacho, like vlog my long vlog session, because I love long videos. But then I love long videos really necessary. There are sometimes my long videos near and still necessary, like let's say in one example video about it. Find video about Mother's Day, they were just supposed to show us 10 seconds. So guys, now tap as spa. And what show about 10 seconds guys massage this and that. Not to show us the whole 18 fucking minutes when I'm going to massage, but no. That's the other thing, like Chinito Disofara, Kim and Tanaka more than Rynesu. Like Pakushotena, Pakonanga Paninyaya. Like in the Muna Sanga Besanya, I don't point direct. What is this? This is the side of men in this environment. Ndakatozvipasa zvinhu baisa tozoti this is side of past defense what was but maya indezvechiyo zvanakutaura do anditi zvozonzi you see there was homo sapiens, there was homo habilis, there was zinjanthropus. So you see Charles Darwin, he invested this and that, and they went to Shabani. There was Chief Noembo, there was Nyaniwe Matope, who became like Nyatsimba Mtoda, was the founder of Mutapa State. You see, after that there was Nyanewa Matope, there was Sitika Zurukum Sapa. Then it is the side of past events in this story. This is the studying of past events. This that was called on 20 example. But point to so guys, tell me what you think down in the comment section. Tell me which couple is your favorite and why do you love this couple? You know what I'm saying? Let me know down in the comment section. So I beg guys, this is the end of our video. If you have watched this video till this end, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Please watch the AIDS. Watch the AIDS. Kara iri AIDS chaicho AIDS munofara ka. Like literally I'm 00 amount tasemon. Account like amount yangu by job it's 0000. So if you watch the AIDS, like I know my AIDS video they kara jona video bebe. video ranokuona rombopostwa pombobuda chima-aids tumachichiti ma-adverse tikaona kuti skip don't skip kuona kuti achipera aids roro rozopera rega ndokuamukana kutowo mari kandoonawo simba rekutengawo magetsi kai kuti ndikupe content time vana buy shop kachivu vana don't skip them, watch them. Napsel. So I bet guys, thank you for watching my video. If you watch this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe for more and more content. Do what you're doing best. I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Press Maka. I'm the next content issue based. Tanaka.